Okay, hello guys, and now we're back in Skyblock Survival. So, this place is no mobs is spawning, so we're gonna do this to my house. And Ram is here today, and Vortex is here today.
Hello.
So we're gonna go fix more coal. Torch. Okay,
Coal?
so first,
What do you find coal on this thing right here?
no, I mean charcoal.
Oh, now I understand. Of course.
Yes, yeah. The furnace. Furnace. This is rolling. Okay, so we have steel. Just wait. We are chewing on something. Can hold down the shift.
Okay.
One. Hold on. Two.
I'm holding down the freaking button.
Yeah.
Or the bottom. I'm just kidding.
You're a button.
Hey! Don't say that to your BBF. BBF.
You're not BB. You're just a F. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here. 1, 2, 3. Stop. Yeah, just hold. Just hold.
Okay. La la la.
Shut the fuck up. You're singing.
Hey, I am your best friend, one of your best friends. I must sing.
Are you from Russian? Oh hell. Just hold down.
Yeah, I'm holding down.
Don't stop. 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 Don't hold down. Okay? Okay, hold on.
What the?
So the mob spawn is right there, and we're gonna just hold down.
This reminds me of Captain Spartus.
What?
This Skyblock Survival
Yeah.
reminds me of Captain Spartus.
Yeah. Cool. Minecraft is lagging.
Hmm?
My Minecraft is lagging.
Not as I see.
You will see it.
Okay.
Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. We need two again.
And
No, three. No, two.
Dix,
Yeah.
what are you going to do right here, like this spot?
As I said, we are going to make.
Oh, a mob trap.
Yeah.
Oh, now I understand. No, I understand.
Oh, holy crap! Stop.
On the chest.
Oh.
What?
Holy crap!
Just
Thought.
teleport or something.
Enderman and skeleton. Cool.
Oh, that would gonna be the scariest mob in the whole Minecraft.
Minecraft.
Yeah, Minecraft.
Minecraft. Yeah.
Yeah, Minecraft. I'm saying Minecraft. You're saying Minecraft.
I'm saying Minecraft because I'm not. Okay, so stop holding down. Stop holding down.
Okay, for God's sake.
Oh, look at the coal. Because oh, yay!
More pumpkins. Or one more pumpkin. Charcoal. You have a lot of sticks. Yes.
Yeah. I like to be sticky. Okay.
Yellow. Oh, yellow.
So guys, we need to make pretty much cobblestone. So I'm gonna skip a time. We're gonna need 464. 464. Get it?
464. Okay, now I understand.
Yeah.
464.
So, see, so yeah, we have the 64, 64, 64, and the night is coming, and the pickaxe is looking like it's destroyed. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Set this right there. And this right here. I'm going to make it very high so the mobs is going to fall down right there and
Fall down and
die.
die. Oh, I see. If you heard about Captain Sparkless, guys, if you see like this video, so if you have heard about Captain Sparkless, he also had made like mob trap, like falling down thing.
Like ours?
Hmm?
He made a mob trap.
Yeah.
Oh.
He make it like a video about it for not a long time ago, I think. Yeah. What kind of mobs are you going to like spawn? Pigs or
No.
skeletons or?
Yeah, the mobs are hurting you. The danger mobs or ugly mobs.
Like scary mobs.
Yeah.
Okay, I understand.
So, and something I just want to know: how the hell am I going down? Hey, I can dig me down. I can dig me down right there because the mobs didn't not need to.
Yeah. Smarty pants.
Smart pants. I don't have any pants.
What? I have pants on me.
Oh, the tree. Oh, really? Wow, that's fucking hell. Okay, can you hold the button?
Shift.
Yes.
Okay.
We're going to.
Oh. Careful now.
Yeah. Shift is the best button in Minecraft. Or not the best button.
I like to W or double. I don't know what I mean. Like the button who like moving forward.
Oh my god, I'm trying to fall in down. Just wait. 1, 2, 3. Stop holding.
Okay.
4, 5, 6, 7. Just
Seven.
wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Yes, 7. 7. 7.
7-Eleven.
Just hold down.
Okay. I think I'm holding down. Yeah.
And hold on. Down. I'm not going to die. I have something really special in the back. Oh, holy. Oh, hold on.
Oh, you just like going straight up, like when you go to the inventory. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Okay.